Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we had discussed some question from the exercise 9.1. Today also we are going to solve some question. So here we have question number 2 6 1 5 by 6 plus in big bracket 4 2 by 3 minus in curly bracket 5 1 by 3 in small bracket 5 3 by 4 divided by 23. Now small bracket close, curly bracket close, and big bracket close. So this we have to solve. Okay, so first we'll write in improper fraction, whatever mixed fraction we have, that we have to convert first. Okay, when we convert we'll get 11 by 6 plus in big bracket 11 by 3 minus in curly bracket 16 by 3 in small bracket 23 by 4 divided by 23, small bracket close, curly bracket close, big bracket close. Okay, now we have to solve this. Okay, so first bracket will come, and in bracket first we have to do the work of small bracket. Okay, that means now this part we have to solve. Okay, so here we have in small bracket we have 23 by 4 divided by 23, we can write like this 23 by 1. Okay, so now this term we have to divide by this fraction we have to divide by this fraction, so this we can write 23 by 4, and this division will change into multiplication, and this will change into reciprocal. Okay, that means 1 by 23. So 23 cancel, so from here we are going to get 1 by 4. Understood? So here you can see this we can write like this 11 by 6 plus in big bracket 14 by 3 minus in curly bracket 16 by 3 in small bracket 23 by 4 into 1 by 23, this part. Okay, small bracket close, curly bracket close, big bracket close. Okay, now when we solve this, when we multiply this, we'll get 1 by 4 from here. Okay, 1 by 4 from here. So here you can see in next line 11 by 6 plus in big bracket 14 by 3 minus in curly bracket 16 by 3 into 1 by 3 we got from here. Okay, now curly bracket close, big bracket close. Now we have to do the work of this bracket. Okay, understood? Now 11 by 6 and rest part we have to write as it is. 11 by 6 plus in big bracket 14 by 3 minus 4 by 3 will get from here. Okay, let me show you. 16 by 3 into 1 by 4. Okay, 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 60. Okay, now 4 into 1 4, and denominator 3 into 1 3, that means 4 by 3. So from here we got 4 by 3, that only I have written here. Now we have to do the work of this part. Okay, so here we have 14 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Okay, so now we'll take the LCM. Here you can see the LCM, both having 3 only, so LCM will be 3. When we divide and multiply we'll get 14 here and here 4. Okay, when we subtract we'll get 10 by 3 from here, from this bracket. Understood? From this bracket we'll get 10 by 3. Finally here we have to add this fraction. Okay, so here we have 11 by 6 plus 10 by 3. When we take the LCM will be 6. When we divide by 6 it will go one time, and 1 into 11 plus, now we have to divide by 3, it will go 2 times, and 2 into 10 20. Okay, now we have to add 20 plus 11 31 by 6. When we divide we'll get in mixed fraction 5 1 by 6. This is the answer. Understood? So this is how you have to solve. Now this is question number 9. 100 divided by in big bracket in curly bracket in small bracket 8 plus 5 small bracket close into 2 plus 24 curly bracket close into 2 big bracket close. Now this we have to simplify. So first we have to write as it is. Now here we have to find out the small bracket and we have to do the work of that. Okay, so here you can see the small bracket and here we have 8 plus 5. That means from here we'll get 13 and rest part we have to write as it is. Let me show you in next line. So this is the next line, 100 divided by, in big bracket, in curly bracket, from here we got 13. Okay, from here we got 13 and into 2 plus 24 curly bracket close into 2, then big bracket close. Okay, rest part we have to write as it is. Now we have to do the work of curly bracket, this bracket one. Okay, now here you can see we have 13 into 2 plus 24. So here also we have to follow the BODMAS rule. So multiplication will come first. So first we have to multiply 13 by 2. Okay, then we will add 24. Understood? So let's do it in next line. So 100 divided by, in big bracket, in curly bracket, from here we'll get 26 plus 24. This one, from here we'll get 26 plus 24 curly bracket close into 2 big bracket close. Now we have to do the work of this. That means here we have 26 plus 24. So this part we have to add now. Okay, and rest we have to write as it is. 100 divided by, in big bracket, from here we will get 50. Okay, 26 plus 24, 50 into this 2. Okay, and then big bracket close. Now we have to do the work of this bracket. Okay, and rest we have to write as it is. So 100 divided by, from here we got 100, 50 into 2, 100. Okay, when we divide we'll get 1. Understood? So this is how you have to solve this question. Okay, so children, today I have solved some questions from the exercise. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.